So in this question, we are interested in computing here the histogram for the number of rows that we need to have, such that we're gonna get a sum of two dice equals to 7. So we want to count the rows that we had to do until we got a sum equals to 7. And we don't want to include when the number of rows is greater than 60. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a function that will basically compute how many rows it took to get a sum equals to 7. And to do that, we're going to create here a variable that will start like the number of rows equals to 0. Then if it is less or equal than 60, which in this case, this is the first one, so it is, we are going to get the sum of like two dice. So in Python...